see the glue coming out all the way around. There you go. It's pretty good. See the glue? That's how I know it's nuts actually better than the other one. So just make the other one now. See this one here. Now the other one. What do we put in? In here we go. So on here, where I started the other one, it's right in the center of the A on here. So a little dot there. Where we need to start. Drop all this down here. And down here we got this is the whole saw we should be using a bit today. Open this up here. Okay, so the other one, this one here, you don't need a hole the size of this. This one will work. It's small. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a bit bigger than the other one. Another spare cap as well if we needed it over here, so anyhow, we'll try this. This one here looks pretty good. It's pretty close. We'll make him up. This fellow here. Oh, cannot use that one. One here, we'll change the nut over. Drop the nut on. The old trusty drill. Put this on here. Alright. I'll just try this on a bit of wood, Just this piece here. Drop them down here. Okay. There's our hole. Yes, pretty cool. Just sandpaper here. Just right here, just clean it a little bit. In there like that. Just a tiny bit off center, but let's have a look. This is pretty close. I think we'll leave her at that, Should have got a bit bigger hole, but that's okay. Glue around there. And on the inside. Drop this back in with a washer. Put the washer on. And then the nut. This is the drain pipe here. These are 15mm drain outlets, tank outlets they're called. Just line that up there, tighten that there. Just tighten him up with this. These being plastic, you know, you don't want to over tighten them, but yeah, just get down tight enough you can see all the glue coming out. So that's made a nice complete seal there. Okay, that's the bottom bit. Now we need the washer for it. So the washer, I'll take out of this one. This one here, make sure it's just clean. It'll drop down in there. I'd actually glue that on now. It's got a groove in here, you can see, and the groove will hold this in place. If you look at the other one I've got, there's no groove. So I've used the ones with the grooves just to hold that seal in place to make sure that just run a bead of glue all the way around here. Like so. And we'll drop that in place. Just push him all the way in. That's your seal as well. Move this out of the way. And we'll do the same with the other one here, with this seal here.